Hello everyone, today is exciting day. We're turning a hull of Bering BC60 in Bulgaria. It's a 60-foot catamaran with 8.6-meter beam. Very flexible layout from 4 to 6 staterooms with enclosed or open flybridge and many variation and modifications, and of course Bering semi-custom approach to interiors, equipment, a lot of extras, a lot of options. We can customize this boat to your taste. Is no different compared to our main Bering line, but we all know that cats are much more spacious and shallow draft. And to achieve all the good properties of cat, we choose as our primary material aluminum. This is hull number 2 of Bering BC60, all built in Bulgaria, and we will finish it here, making interiors here, and it's a full production gonna take place in Bulgaria. Very exciting day today.
Bering 60 Cat is a very flexible platform which can be creatively modified to fit our customers' needs. This boat can have an open or closed flybridge. Closing of this area will allow the creation of a more private area which can be accessed by the enclosed stairs from the main salon. A spacious 27.7 square meter boat deck can serve as a storage for a tender boat or for water toys. An open flybridge deck serves as a classical relaxation area accessible through the open-air stairs. This modification features a barbecue bar area, a lounge section with a table. BC60 Cat's main deck has a multifunctional 50 square meter interior area. It includes a lounge with a high-low table, a generously equipped galley with a bar and a large dining table. Stepping outside, we get to the bow area with 2 settees, 2 tables, and a forward settee or sunpad. The huge cockpit can be extended to 35 square meters with the 10-meter swimming platform raised to the flybridge area. However, the biggest flexibility offers the lower deck. Bering 60 Cat can be built with 4 cabins, 3 guests plus 1 owner stateroom, and an additional crew cabin at the bow and a storage area. 5 cabins, 4 guests and 1 master, or 6 cabins, 1 master and 5 guests. It is also possible to combine 2 guest cabins into a huge Master George VIP bedroom. Along with the ample stowage space, this deck also has a lazarette and 2-store engine room.
Again, it's our exploration cat. You can go next to any Bering and feel the same safety, same comfort, and same quality of life aboard. Today, everything went very well. Now it's standing upright, and we're gonna complete it right on the same spot. And exciting news, we're starting 3 more cats of identical model right here in Bulgaria. Stay tuned and you will see very soon a new construction here and progress on this boat which just being turned up.